Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to zoom to object. For example, I will create box objects, and if you want to zoom to object, you can click these tools fit all in view. You can click it will be zoom the object, or you can use middle mouse to scroll up and down to zoom in and zoom out, and you can combine with the pen tools by pressing the middle mouse like this. You can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and then use pen tool to pan the object. The other option, you also can use these plus tools to zoom in, or you can use the minus tools to zoom out. And if you want to fit the zoom in the object, you can click this icon like this. Okay, you can create again, and I will select this object. It will be automatically zoom into selection. You can scroll mouse to zoom out, select these two objects, and then you can click again to zoom in the object. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial, how to zoom to object. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.